Hey friends, if you wish to check if your PC can run Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, just forget all other methods about checking system requirements and all. You're just wasting your time with that. Here's what you can do. There's a tool called the PC Health Check tool. Go to any browser and search for this tool. Scroll down, there's something called as how to use PC health check from support.microsoft.com. Click on it and then scroll down and click on this link here, and it will download the PC health check tool. Click on open. It will need a few seconds, and then select I accept the license terms, install, and then click on finish. Okay, now this tool obviously checks the condition of your PC, but it will also allow you to check the PC requirements for Windows 11. Simply click on check now. If it gives a green tick here, you're good to go. Okay, and if it doesn't, then you'll have to think further, but if it gives a green tick, then you're good to go. And once you are good to go, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates. Now, what would you do if the PC health check tool says that no, you cannot install it? So if the issue is because of TPM, then it would be a difficult thing, especially for laptops. For desktops, you can still find a way out. But if it is with the SSD or with the space or the RAM, then you can add it and it's not that expensive these days. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.